Okay, let's unbox UniFi's switch today. I ordered this one from Taiwan, so this one is 48 ports. Maxwell feed. Missing PoE, no power supply function. Let's take a look at its specs. That's right. This package is actually quite large and it is quite laborious to move it. Alright, let's set it up. The cornea is torn. This crisp voice is nice to hear and it makes me feel very excited every time I unpack it. After opening it, we will immediately find that it has an accessory package. We will introduce it later. Let's take out the main body first. It seems that it's easier to hold it sideways. The packaging is still very solid. We put the styrofoam underneath. Okay, then remove the protective film next. Wow, this color is really beautiful every time I see it. It's 18 port. What about the front? There are a total of 32 PO in one bedroom without power supply, and there are 16 PO in the back that are 2.5G, which also have no power supply. The reason why I will buy one without power supply is mainly because of the cost. Let's buy this one first. Let's introduce its accessory package to use it on public television. Just like the usual style of UniFi, after opening it you will see its power cord, and there is this, which is very powerful. All its accessories, screws and components are all here. Then of course there are two small ears to be fixed on top of the frame. We'll put it on the left. The good gold bag is probably like this. Let's put it back. Okay, next we have to unbox his AP, which is UniFi. USM Pro. Tear it the same way, the sound is satisfying. Couldn't help knocking a few more times. Okay, let's open it and pull it out. This package is the same package from U5 to U6, U7. There's a protective film on it. Let's take it off as well. This material actually has a disadvantage. It will become sticky after a long time. But forget it. I hope he will improve in the future, so let's take a look at his back. After we remove his protective soup, take a picture of the front. There will be a certified 2.5G on the back. 2.5G, it is in. The part of exchanging data within the local network will be faster. Then this is an auxiliary device that he will use when fixing our AP, marking the position of its screw hole, and a horizontal shift is also attached to it. We can ensure that after we install it, the U logo on the front can be the complete water bottle. There are no people with obsessive compulsive disorder who can't stand that our U logo is Y. Without a doubt, I am. Okay, then this is his fixed iron frame. In this case, whether it is the wall or the ceiling, we can fix our AP through this fixed frame. Well, if it is the light steel plate of the office, if it is the ceiling of a structure of the light steel frame of the office, this is placed on the top ceiling for cumbersome fixation. Here are some disassembly tools of AP as well as some screws attached to it. It is very easy for you to fix it when installing walls and ceilings or using light steel frames.
Of course, he has attached his instructions.
Then this is from my house. We plugged in a picture during installation and followed the steps.
Connected to the power supply part, then this is the overall architecture diagram. You can see that our ISP is connected to our host, then connected to the switch, and finally to our 48 Pro. Then we connect the AP and turn it on, and then we will directly find our Pro Max 48 here.
If we install it, our AP will naturally search for it, and then it will update the firmware first, and after the update it will be paired. The pairing time will take a little time. If we have to wait a little, we will see the screen. The display will be displayed as 2.5G. The next step is to connect the AP of his U7 Pro.
It's the same line. After plugging it in, we will find that it has been automatically connected, and then we will remind you to do pairing. The same first pairing will basically have the so-called update problem. It will take a little time, so let's wait a little. Normally speaking, it is white light and it will flash. If the blue light is in pairing, it is already connected. Let's see the connected picture. Just like this, there is no customer connection yet.